On May 14, Armenia's government prolonged the state of emergency for another month, but has eased restrictions. It has already been 10 days since restrictions were loosened on certain businesses, including outdoor cafes and other shops. However, this doesn't mean that Armenians will go back to pre-COVID life. CivilNet met with Armenia's State of Emergency Commandant and Deputy Prime Minister Tigran Avinyan and his team to better understand the current situation.
I will have the continuation of the state of emergency, of course, but it doesn't mean that we will have, after the 14th, we will have major differences in the situation that we have currently in terms of limitations. We're going at this point in time to open up a bit more. However, this is a situation that we won't be able to predict for more than 2 weeks' time, and that means that at least, probably for 2 weeks we'll open up a bit more and then analyze the situation we have and make new decisions.
In mid-March, Armenia implemented a state of emergency after the increase of positive COVID-19 cases. Through the 2 months of lockdown, various measures were set up to counter-attack the spread of the virus. There was a shelter-at-home order for residents, the police-controlled citizens' movement in the streets, and there was a controversial law on phone tracking.
Our goal was to enhance the capabilities of the whole medical infrastructure that should be fighting coronavirus. And I believe we have achieved our main goal in that sense. We've had several flights that were organized specifically to deliver the right machinery, the EVLs that we needed. That was our main goal, and that was the main target that we had when we brought specific limitations to the economic activities, to bring down the numbers, to have some time to enrich those capacities. I think at this moment we have reached our goal, but day by day and hour by hour the situation changes and our aims also change.
During the lockdown, the staff at the office of the Deputy Prime Minister have worked on elaborating measures that will have to be put in place. For Anita Babayan, advisor to the Deputy Prime Minister, all measures were not easy to decide on.
It's a 24 hours work without any weekend. But we are not complaining of that. The perception and of the feeling that your every letter, every background work, paperwork can result to a decision that directly affects people's life. It's not easy to bear, but it is what we call public service.
Babayan's colleague, Victoria Aydinian, assistant to the Deputy Minister, is convinced, however, that the measures taken in times of COVID-19 will shape the future of Armenia after the virus.
In times of pandemic, in new normal, the state has to function more effectively, more efficiently, and that's why all those reforms are very important to start right now. And if we want in post-coronavirus world, I don't know when it will be, in a year, in 2 years, it will be more important to have a very solid state system, a very well-functioned educational system, and of course, a diverse labor market. So we understand that today, starting from today, we need to prepare for the post-coronavirus world.
Times after coronavirus are still opaque. As of May 14, the number of infected people has reached 3,860, with 2,218 recoveries and 49 deaths.